Hello, fellow travelers, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of showing up to a hotel room that looks nothing like the pictures online? Do you dream of finding that perfect stay without breaking the bank? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing my ultimate guide to booking the perfect hotel room, packed with tips and tricks the pros use. Let's get started and turn your travel dreams into reality. First things first, timing is everything. Most people think booking way in advance guarantees the best price, but that's not always true. Airlines and hotels use dynamic pricing, which means prices fluctuate based on demand. My sweet spot is usually booking about 3 to 6 weeks before my trip. This is often when hotels start to adjust their rates to fill up rooms. However, for major holidays or huge events, you'll want to book several months in advance to avoid disappointment. Also, try searching for rooms midweek, like on a Tuesday or Wednesday. You'll often find that prices are lower than when everyone else is searching on the weekend. Next up, let's talk about where to look. Don't just stick to one booking site. I always use an incognito or private browser window to search. Why? Because some websites use cookies to track your searches and can actually raise prices if they see you are repeatedly looking at the same dates. Sneaky, right? I recommend using a comparison site like Google Hotels, Kayak, or Skyscanner to get a broad overview of what's available. These sites pull data from multiple sources, giving you a comprehensive look at prices across the web. It's a great starting point to see which hotels fit your budget. But here's a pro tip. Once you've found a hotel you like on a comparison site, go directly to the hotel's own website. Often, hotels offer exclusive perks for booking direct, like a free breakfast, a room upgrade, or a later checkout time. They save money on commission fees, and sometimes they pass those savings on to you. It's also worth signing up for hotel loyalty programs. Even if you don't travel frequently, points can add up over time, and you'll get access to members-only rates and special offers. It costs nothing to join, and the benefits can be fantastic. Now, let's dive into the details. The room itself. Don't just look at the price. Look at what you're getting for it. Read the room descriptions carefully. A city view might sound nice, but it could also mean a view of a brick wall and a noisy street. I always look for recent guest photos in the reviews section. These are way more reliable than the professionally staged photos on the hotel's website. Pay close attention to reviews that mention cleanliness, noise levels, and the quality of the Wi-Fi, especially if you need to work. A little bit of research here can save you a lot of headaches later, and don't be afraid to make a request. When you book, there's usually a special requests box. Use it. You can ask for a room on a higher floor for a better view and less street noise, or a room away from the elevator to ensure a quiet night's sleep. If you're celebrating a special occasion like an anniversary or a birthday, mention it. Many hotels will go the extra mile with a small gesture, like a complimentary bottle of wine or a dessert, to make your stay memorable. It doesn't always work, but it never hurts to ask politely. The worst they can say is no. Finally, let's talk about flexibility. Sometimes, the best deals come to those who are willing to be a little flexible. If your dates aren't set in stone, check the prices for the days before and after your intended stay. Shifting your trip by just one day can sometimes save you a significant amount of money. Also, consider hotels in adjacent neighborhoods. Staying just a little outside the main tourist hub can offer better value. A more local experience, and is often just a short walk or a quick metro ride away from all the main attractions. And that's a wrap on my ultimate guide to booking the perfect hotel room. With these tips and tricks, you're now equipped to find amazing accommodations for your next adventure without the stress. Happy travels! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and guides. Let me know in the comments below what your best hotel booking hack is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.